Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this cauliflower puree for my 6-month-old baby. If it is the first time I'm coming across this video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'll be using cauliflower and one potato for this recipe. The next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead to divide the cauliflower into equal parts, and thereafter I will go ahead to keep the other one inside the fridge, wrap it up and put it inside my fridge for later use. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming on board. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you. The next thing I'll be doing is to go ahead to remove the nyash or the bottom, the leaf. Just remove those parts, those hard parts, and then I'll go ahead to cut them into bite size so that it will cook on time. If you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much. Please help me to subscribe, help me to like, help me to share this video. Thank you. So after cutting everything, I'll set this aside and then moving on to the potato. I will peel this up, remove the things that need to be removed, and then I will also cut this into bite size. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so that my YouTube channel can grow. Please help me to subscribe, help me to share. After cutting everything, the next thing I'll be doing is to wash this up thoroughly. I will go ahead to wash the cauliflower first, and then I will keep it or set it aside, and then I will also be washing the potato as well. Make sure you wash this thoroughly so that there will not be sand, since it is baby that is going to eat it. So for the potato, I'll just go ahead to also cut this into my desirable shape, and I'll also give it a good wash. Thank you so much for watching up to this moment. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you are doing well. So please help me to comment in the comment section where you are watching me from so that I can say hi to you. So after washing everything, I'll just put both the potato and the cauliflower in one place. So I'll set this aside. Moving over to the water, I put some water into my clean pot and allow to boil. Now I'll be adding the cauliflower and the potato, and I will cook this for some minutes, but I'm not going to be adding salt to it. So I cover to cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium heat, and then open up the pot. So this is what we have. I'll allow this to cool down before moving over to the next step. The next step is for me to blend this. After allowing it to cool down, I just went ahead to put it into my blender, and I added some of those liquid water, and then I will blend this up. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video so that this video can go viral. Thank you so much. Thank you for my OG. Thank you for my new subscribers. You are welcome. Thank you. After blending, this is what we have. Pureed. This is it. So I'll just go ahead to share this into my little container, and then I'll go ahead to store this into freezer. You can use some, or I mean part of it, then you put it in your fridge, then you store the rest in your freezer. This can last for, let's say, 2 to 3 months. Thank you for watching. Bye.